Ano ba yung laman ng bag ni Ed Caloocan? Bakit ang laki-laki, ang dami-daming dala? Mag-investigate ka lang, yes. But then, alam mo ba kung anong mangyayari during investigation? I have the salt, pero hindi po para magpaksiw. Salt is usually used to ward off different elementals and all the negatives. The red soil, maganda lang pong pakinggan, pero ito po ay paso. Actually, ito yung mga paso na taniman ng halaman. Okay, this is used for banishing rituals. Candles, kailangan para you're always protected with light. In-improvise ko lang po ito. This is my motion sensor. It's a jar na may crystal sa loob. Airtight po yan. Kapag may dumaang mga spirits, gagalaw yan. Chocolates and water. Spirits, sobrang nakaka-drain po ng energy yan. And chocolate, para mabalik yung energy mo nawawala. Ang isa pang kailangan is yung tapang to face kung ano man yung unexpected. And siyempre, faith. Yun po yung dapat hindi mawala, yung faith.